Chapter 1: Genealogical Structure, the Kinship System. A. Kinship. The Nai Rasaon Division. From Nai Rasaon, the second wife of Tuan Suri Mangaraja, Swang Raja Mangarerak, CP11, who went to Sibisa in the north of Uluwan Tree and became the founder of the tribal group comprising the Marga Manurung, Sitorus, Sirait and Batak, which together inhabit nearly the whole of Uluwan. Parts, branches and lineages of each of the four marga are encountered in almost all the territories in this area. These territories, as in many parts of Samosir, are therefore nearly all combinations of parts of small fragments of two or more of the four marga, each of which, as a rule, lives together in its own cluster of villages. Between them, some smaller territories of other marga and tribal groups are distributed, mainly Silai Sabungan, which stand in an alliance relationship to the main inhabitants of our indwelling marga. Sometimes they had already occupied their small territory before the Nai Rasaon, spreading from the north, had penetrated so far and were not then driven out. The region is a high and hilly country enclosed on its northeast side by the Simanok Manu and Pangulubao mountain chains, so that its only communication with the east coast is along the northern corner and by the Azan River in the south. Consequently, only some branches of the Formaga are to be found on the east coast. A branch of Sitorus set itself up in the small Sitorus territory that lies in the middle of the Pohan region Foshi, and from there some further parts, under the name Pane, have dispersed to Habisaran and even to Angola. In Central and South Tapanuli, people belonging to this division are as scarce as those belonging to the Nai Ambaton division.